Hello, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto E40. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's enter wallet, select add to wallet and focus on transport pass, loyalty and gift card. Firstly, let's go to transport pass and select your transport pass. You'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. Next, let's select loyalty card and select card you would like to add. You can scan your card or enter details manually. Tap add to wallet and it's done. Let's go back and in the end let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap add to wallet. All of your cards will appear right here on the home page of wallet. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.